sale of the year, which starts from 18 December to 21st December, where you can buy Plum products at a whopping amount of 40% discount only from their website. Not only that, you get Plum Body Roomba Shower Gel plus Mist Minis Duo on all orders above Rs 899 and more. Being dry skin, my top 3 picks are: number 1, Plum's E-Luminance Supple Cleansing Balm. It's a non-dry, sulfate-free cleanser which can be used as a cleanser as well as a makeup remover. It removes dirt, impurities and has a touch of 8 waxes, oils, butters and vitamin E. So what more do you want? Facial oil. Next up is their grapeseed and sea buckthorn Glow Restore Facial Oil, which is made up of 100% plant derivatives. Like there are hundreds of them, 100 plants, that combats skin dryness and restores a natural glow without being greasy. I personally like using it as a night oil. Lastly, it's the Chamomile Glow Glitter Mask, which is a clay-based mask with chamomile extracts, licorice extracts, and 5 hyper antioxidant leaf extracts that deeply cleanses, exfoliates and nourishes the skin from oxidation and sun damage. Not to forget packaging, Plum uses 100% recyclable packaging. If you return the Plum empties, you get a lot of good points which help you to buy from Plum, websites and gets you a major discount, which will be linked below. And not only that, use my code. So that is all for this video from Shreyas BFF. Do give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well as my Instagram handle, and see you soon with new contents. Till then, bye.